Limitations of the training. The PSS Scuba Rescue Diver course is one of the best ways of learning how to prevent and deal with the risks involved in diving, within the limits of recreational diving and in environmental conditions similar to those in which your training took place. As real emergencies can occur in an infinite variety of different situations, it is not possible to give a set list of procedures, and the advice and information given does not constitute a valid legal reference. During a real emergency, you could have doubts as to what the right action to take is. Remember that any action can have both positive and negative effects, but not taking any action at all may have even more serious consequences. A practical example is the case of an unconscious diver. Bringing such a casualty to the surface quickly could cause decompression illness, but it will also ensure that, on coming round, the diver inhales air and not water, thus avoiding a much worse fate, drowning. Being able to assess the consequences of any action to take quickly is indispensable and requires a good theoretical grounding as well as practical training. But this is not all. You also have to learn how to foresee and prevent any possible situation of danger. A good way of developing your analytical skills is to ask yourself, what would I do if? Imagining every negative event that could possibly occur. Another useful exercise is sharing other divers' experiences. Analyze the circumstances, identify the correct actions that were taken and any mistakes that were made. Think of more effective alternative actions. Assess whether a more thorough dive plan could have prevented that particular emergency situation occurring. Remember that no one type of action can guarantee that a rescue will be successful. Never forget that the safety of the rescuer takes priority over every action that is taken. Otherwise, it could be 2 casualties rather than just 1 involved in the emergency. If forced to do so, you must put your own life first. Only you can decide what risks to take without compromising your own safety.